Tutorial on how to make a rectangle. Packaging box. Opening parenthesis with firstly. Draw or print this on a piece of any type of paper. Then cut it with a scissors or cutters, or any cutting material. Secondly, fold them too. Make it much easier later. Thirdly, glue the thing I glued here. There you have it. You can fit candy too. You can make it into different sizes, so you can fit anything you want. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.